Today we're going to learn how to make a origami pig face. Now to do this we need a square sheet of paper. If you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to quickly show you now how to get one. You're going to take a regular sheet of paper, you're going to fold it diagonally, line up this edge here nice and even as you can, right to the point. And then if you're a child, please get an adult to help you. Scissors are dangerous. You can seriously injure yourself with scissors or someone else. So please get an adult to help you. And you're going to want to cut this extra piece off. And when you do that, you'll end up with a square sheet of paper. Okay, so to do this, let's find a square sheet of paper. Alright, let's find a square sheet of paper. There we go. Now, I'm going to do this ahead of time, just because I think it'll turn out better. What color? Or is it this color? No. I'm going to use this color. I'm going to draw some pink on my paper for the pig skin. There. Now, there we go. Alright, now that I got crayon everywhere, clean it all up real quick. Stuff works amazing. Alright, so we got our pink piece of paper. And I just ripped a little bit. Anyways, we're going to fold it in half. Okay, you're going to flip it over. You want the colored side down. So we're going to fold it in half. Corner to corner. Then do it again the other way. Unfold it and do it again the other way. Like that. Then unfold it. Okay? Now, you're going to take the right and left side, and you're going to fold it to the center using the creases you just made to line that up. Okay? Then we got the right and left side over. Now, we're going to fold it in half, top to bottom. Now, we're going to okay, so we have it like this now. Okay? I'm going to fold this in this in going up. Doesn't really matter which side, they're both the same. I just flipped it over because I ripped mine a little bit and there's some creases and stuff from when I was drawing the pink on it. So you're going to take both layers, you're going to fold them up. Right about there. Okay. And then you're going to take just one layer, fold this about 2/3 of the way down. And then look, you got your nose. Then you're going to take your corners. You want to fold them corner ways in. You're going to want to do the same with the other side. There. There we go. There. Now, you just need to draw your face on it. Then you got your little piggy. So I'm going to take black pen. Yep, we're going to use a black pen. You're going to blast black marker, black crayon, black whatever you want. And we're going to draw some eyes. Oh, I guess I'm going to use a crayon. Draw some eyes. Okay. Ah. All right. I'm going to use a black pen for this part because there's no crayon, but we're going to draw on the little piggy nose. So we're going to go. There we go. Get the eyes, the little piggy nose. Yeah. We got our little piggy. I'm just taping it down because it'll hold better, and I'm probably going to be giving all of my origami stuff that I make to one of my children. So we've got all of this just today. And this one. So that is what we've completed today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.